the truth be told, mimi nilikuwa vice president wa Kibaki for 5 years. Sidhani ningetoka Kenya. I can't even remember. There's no way I would have left the boundaries of this country kwenda nje bila kupata idhini ya president Kibaki. It doesn't work that way. I mean, lazima tuseme mambo haya. I'm just telling Deputy President William Ruto to be honest and say it. On this one, he didn't get it right. Uwezi kutavo, because President, Deputy President, kama mambo yangefanyika mabaya inchi, out of the country, the first person answerable ni President Kenyatta. So he must, and not these things about ati clearance, upate kwa kinywa, upate nini. I'm now talking to you as a man of great experience. Ndio nasema inchi hii tukiishika, anduma Kenya, makakoma meze Kenya yu salamani. They will know this country is properly run. So let us not bungle this thing.